Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone is completely powered off and won't turn on, it's important to know one thing first. You cannot turn on an iPhone from settings if it's powered off. The iPhone must be turned on using the hardware buttons. So that said, here is the correct and official way to turn on an iPhone in 2026, explained clearly and professionally. So first thing first, locate the power side button. So on modern iPhones, I mean like maybe 11, 12, 13 above. So the side button is on the right side of the iPhone. On older iPhones, home button models like the power button may be on the top or right side. So I want you to press and hold the power or side button. Okay, keep holding until you see Apple logo appear on the screen. Okay, so this usually takes 3 to 5 seconds. Then once the Apple logo appears, release the button. The iPhone will continue booting automatically. After startup, swipe up. Okay, Face ID models. You can swipe up if your iPhone is Face ID models, or press home button. Okay, so this is the older models. Enter your passcode like Face ID or Touch ID. Your iPhone is now on and ready to use. Okay, so if nothing happens, check battery or force restart. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.